How to change phone number on PayPal account without logging in. So here I'm on the PayPal website. You want to click on help in the top right corner, and here we will use the search bar to search for changed phone number. Now it's going to give us some articles, and we want to look for a specific one which says let me just find it. What can I do if I've changed my mobile number and can't log in? Now, once you click on it, it's going to refer us to this article. If you've enabled two-step verification for login, make sure you update the mobile number listed in your PayPal account when you switch to a new numbers. That is if we have access to the account, but since we don't, if you're having trouble logging in, you may need to recover access to your PayPal account. Once you regain access, please update your mobile phone number. So what we can do is click on recover access to your PayPal account. Here, it's going to refer us to the options or the steps that we can take. So if we have forgotten our email, password, and here we can follow these guides. And if it still doesn't work, what we can do is contact them. So just go back to the article and click on contact us. And here you will select message us. And if you have trouble logging in, you can create a throwaway account and just message them to contact them to explain your issue that you can't access your phone number, and they may require further information from you to verify ownership of the account. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.